So let me read the question once again. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, their product of ages was 48. So there are two friends, right? There are two persons. Sum of ages of two friends. So let me explain the solution. The first person, let us assume that the first person has age x years, present age, I am talking about present age. The second person has the age y. The x and y we have to find out. There are two friends, we have to find their ages. Okay. So the condition is the sum of their ages is 20. The sum of ages is 20. So that means that x plus y equal to 20. Is it correct? X plus y equal to 20. So the sum of their ages is 20. Okay, we have a condition x plus y equal to 20. Any other condition given? Any other condition given? 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years ago, what is the age of the first person? 4 years ago, the first person age will be x minus 4. Clear? Current age is x. So 4 years ago, his age will be x minus 4. Correct? It's very simple. And current age of the second person is y. 4 years ago, his age will be y minus 4. So x minus 4 into y minus 4, isn't it? The product of their ages. 4 years ago, the first person has age x minus 4. The second person has age y minus 4. Their product 4 years ago. Their product is 48. Equation number 2. It's a very good question, very important problem. You can expect one application problem from this chapter. It can be asked as a case study question or any other 5-mark question. Okay. So x minus 4 into y minus 4 equal to 48. Okay. You can ask me doubt, but let me write some 2 or 3 steps. After that, I will interact with you. Then you can ask me doubt. So I got equation like this. Y is 20 minus x. So in the next step, x minus 4 into this x minus 4 into, see here, 20 minus 4 is there, isn't it? 20 minus 4 is there. 20 minus 4 is 16, correct? So this will be 16 minus x. 16 minus x is equal to 48. Let me write some one more step, 2 step. After that, I will ask you. Then you have to ask me all your doubt. So I got an equation like this. Let me open the bracket. Let me open the bracket. X into 16, correct? X into 16, 16x. Opening the bracket you have studied in the lower classes, right? Opening means like this. Understood? Like this we can open, right? So arrow is not required. You studied how to open. X into 16, 16x. X into 16 is 16x. Then x into minus x is there, correct? X into minus x will be minus x square. Now shall I draw the arrow? No, not required. Then minus 4 into 16, open again. Minus 4 into 16, minus 64. And minus 4 into minus x is there. Minus 4 into minus x plus 4x equal to 48. So let me write once again minus x square. Let me write minus x square first. Okay. Minus x square is written first. And look here, minus x square is written first. Look here, 16x is there, 4x is there. What is that? 16x plus 4x will be 20x. Ah, yes, very good. 20x. plus 20x is there, and here there is minus 64. It is a really tough question. Okay, really a tough question. Minus 64. Now that 48. In the right side there is 48. Let me bring 48 to the left hand side. So it's okay. My 48 is brought to left hand side, becomes minus 48. So the right side becomes 0. Okay, I hope you have understood. Ayush, you listen carefully. Okay, Ayush. So minus x square, 20x is there, 20x is there, minus 64 minus 48. Shall I discuss that? No, you know how to subtract. Minus 64 minus 48 will be minus 112. If you don't understand or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. 0. Okay. Minus 1 into 0, 0. So I got a quadratic equation. First we have to check whether it is possible or not. Meaning that first we have to check whether the quadratic equation has a real solution or not. Is it possible? Is it solvable? That I have to check first. So you please try this question. I have modified the question. I have made some modification in the question because this type of question is very important. That is why. So you please do the question very similar to this question. Remember, if the root exists, you have to solve it. So you please do it. I will come back within 3 minutes. So within 3 minutes you solve it and you send me the solution through WhatsApp. Okay. And I want to discuss. So listen, it's very similar to previous question. So here what is given? It's very similar, only number is changed. The first person, all of you please listen. The first person has age X. The second person has age Y. We make an assumption. We have to find X and Y. If the situation is possible, we have to find their ages. Joshida, you got the equation. Then you please find out discriminant and find it. Okay. If you are able, you please solve it. So it is given that the sum of their ages is 17. So x plus y equal to 17. Is it okay? Sum of their ages is 17 mentioned. Like previous question, y equal to 17 minus x. If you don't understand, you can ask me when I interact with you. Y equal to 17 minus x. 2 years ago, the product of the ages 42. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, the first person's age will be x minus 2. 2 years ago, the first person's age will be x minus 2. And the second person's age will be y minus 2. 2 years ago, their product of the ages is given as, if you got the answer, you can send me the chat message. Okay, chat message. The product of the ages is what is that? 42, right? Given in the question. 2 years ago, the product of ages is 42. So here, like previous question, what is this y? What is this y? The y is 17 minus x. So this y can be replaced by 17 minus x. Okay. So x minus 2 into y. What is that y? 17 minus x. 17 minus x. There is minus 2 after that. Is equal to 42. Is it okay? All of you clear? So again, If you get some value, I mean discriminant, you have to send me the answer as a chat message. X minus 2 into 17 minus 2 is there. 17 minus 2, 15. Minus x is equal to 42. 17 minus 2, 15. So this part is clear. Now I am going to write the next part. Like previous question, I am going to open the bracket. Opening the bracket means x into 15, 15x. Then x into minus x, x into minus x, minus x square. Then minus 2 into 15, minus 2 into 15, minus 30. And minus 2 into minus x, minus 2 into minus x will be plus 2x. Right side is 42. So again, let me write again minus x square. I will interact with you. You can ask me doubt. Let me write two steps. Let me write 2 steps. Minus x square. See 15x plus 2x. All of you please listen carefully. 15x plus 2x. 17x. Minus 30 is there. And this 42 can be taken to left hand side. Becomes minus 42. 0. Minus x square plus 17x minus 72 equal to 0. I told you that we prefer the coefficient of x square as a positive number because if the factorization is easier, it should be positive. So we always prefer coefficient of x square as positive. So let me multiply both sides by minus 1. Let me multiply both sides by minus 1. Like previous question. X square plus, minus x square plus 17x minus 72. So if I multiply left side by minus 1, I have to multiply the right side also by minus 1. Minus 1 into minus x square plus x square minus 1 into 17x minus 17x minus 1 into minus 72 plus 72. Right side is 0. Understood? Play. Okay. So minus 17 square. 17 square is 289. 17 square is 289. What is this? 4 into 72. Let me find it. 4 into 72. 288. It's a very small number. Anyway, it is positive, right? B square minus 4ac is positive number. If we studied in the previous class, if b square minus 4ac positive, real and unequal. The roots will be real and unequal. We studied in the previous class. Meaning that the x will have 2 values. So it is solvable. X has 2 solutions. Understood? Okay. All of listen carefully. This may be asked as a case study problems. Okay. Then 2 can be taken to the other side. Understood? 2 can be taken to the other side. We get an equation that x plus y equal to 80 by 2. Somebody has sent me solution. Let me see. Joyce. The another one. The old one. Okay. X plus y equal to 80 by 2. 80 by 2 will be 40. These are the simple steps, right? X plus y equal to 80 by 2, 40. Or you may write y as, like previous questions, you may write y as 40 minus x. Y as 40 minus x. Okay, it is useful. And another condition is area 400 meters square. Area, how will you find the area of a rectangle? Let me ask you question. Joshida, you please tell me, how will you find area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth, yes. X into y. Area of the rectangle is x into y. X into y. It is given. It is given in the question, 400 meters square. So x into y is 400. So that is x into, what is y? What is y? Y is 40 minus x. Y is 40 minus x. So y is written as 40 minus x. 400. So I hope you have understood till this step. So the next step will be, like previous question, we will open the bracket. X into 40 will be there. X into 40 will be 40x. X into 40 will be 40x. Understood? 1 minute. 40x. X into minus x is there. X into minus x square. Right side is 400. Let me do one arrangement. This 400 taken to the left hand side. 400 is taken to left hand side. Left side there is minus x square. And there is 40x. And this 400 go to left hand side. Minus 400 is equal to 0. But I told you we prefer coefficient of x square as a positive number. So let me multiply left side and right side by minus 1. To remove the negative side, left side and right side, this step is required, you must write it. Left side and right side is multiplied with the minus 1. Minus 1 into minus x square, it is x square. Minus 1 into 40x, minus 40x, minus 1 into minus 400, plus 400. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Okay, Nimmi, you have sent it. You got 0. Oh, you sent discriminant, isn't it? Okay. So listen. So a equal to, you may write it as 1x square. X square is 1x square, right? The first coefficient is a, b equal to minus 40 and c equal to 400. You understood that? The first number is a, the second number is b, third number is c. Return. Because I want b square minus 4ac. I want whether it is solvable or not. B square minus 4ac I am going to find out. B square will be minus 40 square. Minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into 400. 4ac will be 4 into 1 into 400. Minus square will be plus. 40 square will be 1600. Samriddhi, you have sent the answer. 2020. Yes, very good. Samriddhi, your answer is correct. Samriddhi, now only 2 or 3 minutes remaining, but you listen. 4 into 400 will be minus 4 into 400 minus 1600. I got discriminant 0. If discriminant is 0, we studied in the previous class, roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. We studied in the previous class, okay? If you have any doubt, you please go through the previous class page. We have written that, we have studied that. b square minus 4ac 0, the roots will be there. Definitely the roots will be there, but both the roots will be equal. So you please write down till this step, and if you are 100% clear till this step, you can raise your hand. If you are 100% clear. All of you clear? Benedict, Samruddhi, Joshida, Nishit, Ayush, everyone is okay. Then let me go to the next page. I am going to find out x. So x has the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. This formula never forget, by 2a. I told you a equal to 1, b equal to minus 40, and c equal to 400. So minus b will be minus of minus 40, minus b. Root is 0. I have already found b square minus 4ac. I got it as 0. Divide by 2a. 2 into 1. Minus of minus 40 will be 40. By 2 will be 2. If you use the formula, you will get plus or minus 0 is not considered, right? Okay, let me write the step. Otherwise, you will miss one solution, okay? You will miss one solution. Minus of minus 40, 40. Plus or minus 0 divided by 2. These are the two roots. 40 plus or minus 0 by 2. Meaning that the roots are either 40 plus 0 by 2 or 40 minus 0 by 2. We have two roots. One root is 40 plus 0 by 2, other one is 40 minus 0 by 2. So x equal to 40 by 2 is 20. Again x equal to 20. This is just a repetition. X equal to 20 or x equal to 20. Meaning is x equal to 20. If x equal to 20, what is y? Y equal to 40 minus 20. Y equal to 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20, 20. Other one is simply a repetition. When you write the conclusion, you need not write or, okay? This one and this one, they are identical. So when you write the conclusion, you need not use or. The or is not required. So the conclusion I am going to write. The length is equal to 20. The rectangle is possible. Rectangle is possible. Whose length is equal to 20. The conclusion is important. You must write it. Rectangle is possible. Length equal to 20 meter. Breadth is also 20 meter. The rectangle is a square actually. So you please write down. If you are okay, completed, then raise your hand. So tomorrow, yes, there is a class, I think. Tomorrow you prepare this chapter well. Only a few questions, I mean some 2 or 3 questions are remaining. But you practice all the problems. I will conduct one exam from this chapter, okay? This is 4th chapter. 4th chapter is okay, finished. Only 2 or 3 questions are remaining. Tomorrow there will be an exam. It will be 1 hour test. You just go through all the problems I discussed in the class, okay? It will be a written exam. You have to switch on your camera. I will inform the parents. It will be 1 hour test, okay? Timing I will message, okay? Okay, then let me wind up the class. Okay, bye.